The sleepy scientist is here, ready to gently guide you into the quiet embrace of the night. Tonight, our journey begins not in the deep cosmic void, but right here, on the soft skin of our own beloved planet. We'll explore the intimate ballet of atmosphere and elements, discovering how the gentle breath of the air around us, the soft touch of sunlight, and the whispering rain shape our world and calm our senses. Let your breath deepen, let your thoughts soften, and simply be. Imagine, if you will, a quiet morning. Perhaps just as the first faint hint of pearlescent light spills across the horizon. You step outside, and the air greets you, a soft, invisible caress against your skin. This isn't just empty space, it's the atmosphere, a vast, delicate blanket woven from gases, endlessly swirling and flowing, holding the very essence of life close to our planet. It's a transparent, nurturing presence, a protective veil that has guarded Earth for billions of years, filtering the harshness of the cosmos and cradling us in its gentle embrace. Every gust of wind, every still, balmy moment is a breath of this enormous, living entity, endlessly circulating, reminding us of its constant, life-sustaining presence. Consider the gentle, persistent cycle of water, the quiet heartbeat of our planet's atmosphere. Begin with the ocean, a vast, undulating expanse shimmering under the sun. The sun's warmth, a soft, pervasive heat, gently lifts tiny, invisible droplets of water into the air, transforming them into a delicate mist, a whisper of vapor. This vapor, light as a dream, rises slowly, joining others, forming soft, billowy clouds that drift across the sky like silent, ethereal ships. There's no urgency in this ascent, only a slow, steady transformation, a patient journey from the liquid embrace of the sea to the airy freedom of the sky. As these clouds gather, cooling gently in the higher, cooler reaches of the atmosphere, the tiny water droplets within them begin to coalesce, drawn together by a quiet, unseen gravity. They grow heavier, softly clinging to one another, until they become too heavy for the air to hold. Then, with an exquisite tenderness, they begin their descent, falling as rain. Each drop is a tiny messenger from the sky, a soft tap on a window pane, a gentle sigh as it meets the thirsty earth. This rain nourishes the land, replenishing rivers and lakes, seeping into the soil to awaken sleeping seeds. It gathers, eventually returning to the vast ocean, completing its timeless journey, only to begin anew. This endless cycle of evaporation, condensation, and precipitation is a continuous, soothing rhythm, a cosmic dance of water that has orchestrated life on Earth for eons, a constant reassurance of renewal. Think of the unseen currents within the atmosphere itself, the vast, slow-moving rivers of air that shape our weather patterns. These aren't chaotic winds, but rather gentle, predictable flows, guided by the sun's warmth and the Earth's steady rotation. The sun, our luminous heart in the sky, heats the Earth's surface unevenly, creating warm pockets of air that gently rise, and cooler air that softly descends to take its place. This creates a continuous, convective loop, a vast breathing mechanism that subtly distributes warmth and moisture around the globe. It's like a colossal invisible hand softly stirring a planetary pot, ensuring that warmth is shared and that life can flourish across diverse landscapes. Even the gentlest breeze against your cheek is a tangible manifestation of this immense atmospheric system at work. It carries with it the scents of distant flowers, the lingering perfume of damp earth, or the crisp freshness of mountain air. It's a whisper from afar, a soft reminder that every part of our planet is interconnected, breathing the same air, sharing the same gentle currents. This pervasive, unseen movement creates a sense of continuous flow, a feeling that even when we are still, the world around us is in a state of tranquil, purposeful motion, forever rearranging its delicate components in a harmonious dance. Consider the quiet magic of sunlight, that golden thread that weaves its way through our atmosphere. It filters through the various layers of air, scattering and diffusing, softening its intensity, painting the sky with the most delicate hues at dawn and dusk. The very blue of our daytime sky is a result of this gentle scattering, as the shorter blue wavelengths of light are softly dispersed more efficiently by the tiny particles in the air. Sunlight is not a harsh, unyielding beam, but a diffused, nurturing presence, providing the gentle warmth that sustains life, coaxing plants to grow and awakening the world with its soft luminescence. It's a pervasive, comforting presence, a constant source of quiet energy, bathing our planet in its tender glow. And then there's the profound stillness of a truly calm day, when the air is so still it feels like a soft, invisible blanket. In these moments, every rustle of a leaf, every distant hum of a bee, every whisper of a bird's wing becomes exquisitely clear. The atmosphere itself seems to hold its breath, allowing sound to travel unhindered, creating a symphony of subtle, natural whispers. It's a quiet invitation to listen more deeply, to connect with the minute sounds of the living world, to feel the profound peace that arises when the usual rushing winds and hurried movements of the world gently recede. These moments of stillness are like pauses in a long, slow song, allowing us to fully appreciate the melody that came before and the quiet promise of what is to come. Even the most dramatic weather events, when viewed through the lens of the sleepy scientist, possess an underlying unhurried grace. A thunderstorm, for instance, begins as a gentle gathering of warm, moist air, slowly rising, condensing into towering clouds. The electrical energy, building within, is not a sudden, violent burst, but a gradual accumulation, a quiet charge. When the lightning eventually flashes, it is a fleeting, brilliant pathway for this energy to gently dissipate, followed by the distant rumble of thunder, a soft echo across the sky, and then the rain descends, often in a soothing downpour, washing the world clean, leaving behind a profound freshness and a renewed sense of calm. The storm, in essence, is a cleansing breath, a turbulent yet ultimately restorative act of the atmosphere, bringing balance and renewal to the land. The way our atmosphere acts as a natural greenhouse, gently trapping just enough of the sun's warmth to keep our planet habitable, is another testament to its profound and subtle artistry. Without this delicate, invisible blanket, Earth would be a frozen, desolate place, much like its moon. The gases within the atmosphere, like a soft, permeable membrane, allow sunlight to pass through, then gently hold a portion of the outgoing heat, ensuring a stable, nurturing temperature range for life to thrive. It's a delicate balance and an exquisite tuning, allowing our planet to maintain a comfortable warmth, a gentle invitation for the flourishing of myriad life forms, a silent, perpetual comfort. So, as you rest, allow yourself to feel the gentle presence of the atmosphere around you. Sense its soft touch against your skin, the subtle movement of the air as you breathe. Imagine the vast, unhurried cycles of water and wind that continuously shape our world, always returning, always renewing. Understand that you are intimately connected to this vast, living system, breathing the same air that has journeyed through countless landscapes, touched countless lives. There is a profound comfort in this connection, a sense of being perpetually cradled by the very breath of our planet. Let this peaceful awareness lull you deeper into relaxation, knowing that you are held securely within the gentle, life-giving embrace of the Earth's soft, breathing atmosphere. As the gentle breath of the atmosphere continues to lull you, softly wrapping around our planet, let us now shift our focus from the fleeting patterns of air and water to the deep, slow rhythms of the Earth's very foundation. Imagine, if you will, that the continents upon which we dwell are not fixed and unmoving, but rather vast ancient rafts, gently drifting across an unseen molten sea. This is the profound, unhurried dance of plate tectonics, a ballet of colossal scale that has sculpted our world over billions of years, not with violent jerks, but with a persistent, almost imperceptible grace. Think of a freshly baked warm pie just removed from the oven. The top crust might crack in places, slowly shifting as it cools, revealing the soft, bubbling filling beneath. Similarly, the Earth's outermost layer, its solid crust, is not a single, unbroken shell. Instead, it is fragmented into several immense pieces, like puzzle pieces of titanic proportion, called tectonic plates. These plates, which carry both the land masses and the ocean floors, rest upon a deeper semi-fluid layer known as the mantle. The mantle, though solid to the touch, behaves like an incredibly viscous, slow-moving fluid over geological timescales. A vast, warm current upon which the continents gently glide. This gentle gliding is driven by the Earth's internal heat, a quiet, pervasive warmth emanating from its very core. Imagine a pot of water on a stove, gently simmering. The warmer water at the bottom rises, cools, and then slowly sinks, creating a continuous circulating current. In the same way, the immense heat within the Earth's mantle generates slow convective currents, like vast, unseen conveyor belts. These subtle currents exert a gentle, persistent drag on the overlying tectonic plates, nudging them, coaxing them to move, ever so slowly, across the planet's surface. It's a continuous, unhurried process, unfolding with a patience that dwarfs all human experience. Consider the majestic formation of mountain ranges, those ancient, stoic guardians of our landscapes. These aren't the result of sudden, violent upthrusts. Instead, they are the culmination of millions upon millions of years of gentle and relentless pressure. When two continental plates, like two colossal slow-motion icebergs, gently push against each other, their edges begin to slowly crumple and fold, like a thick rug being pushed across a floor. The process is excruciatingly slow, measured in mere centimeters per year, a pace so deliberate it is imperceptible to us in a single lifetime. Yet, over vast stretches of geological time, these subtle pressures build, gradually lifting and sculpting the Earth's crust into towering peaks, each fold a silent testament to the enduring patience of the planet. Similarly, the vast, shimmering expanses of our oceans have been created and shaped by the same slow, relentless dance. Along the mid-ocean ridges, where two tectonic plates are gently pulling apart, new crustal material slowly wells up from the mantle below, like a continuous, unhurried extrusion of fresh, warm earth. This process, known as seafloor spreading, creates new ocean floor, ever so gradually pushing the existing plates apart. Conversely, in other areas, where one plate gently slides beneath another, a process called subduction, old oceanic crust is slowly, inexorably drawn back into the Earth's warm interior to be recycled and reborn. It is a continuous cycle of creation and dissolution, a slow, deep breath of the planet as it perpetually reshapes its aqueous embrace. Even the occasional quiet tremor of an earthquake is a part of this gentle, ongoing process, not a sudden, unpredictable violence. As tectonic plates slowly grind past one another, immense stresses gradually build up along their boundaries. These stresses are like a vast, unseen spring being slowly compressed. When the accumulated tension becomes too great, it is gently released in a sudden slip, sending quiet ripples of energy through the Earth's crust. The ground might shake for a few fleeting moments, a quick, almost imperceptible shiver, before settling back into its slow, unhurried dance. These tremors are the Earth's way of releasing accumulated tension, a natural, albeit sometimes forceful, part of its continuous reshaping, a reminder of the immense patient forces at play beneath our feet. Consider the immense spans of geological time involved in this tectonic ballet. The continents we recognize today are merely the latest configuration in a long, ever-changing series. Millions of years ago, they were joined together in supercontinents, vast landmasses that slowly, gracefully drifted apart. eventually forming the familiar shapes we see on our maps. Pangaea, Gondwana, Laurasia. These are not static, ancient memories, but chapters in the Earth's living story, each one marking a profound rearrangement of its surface, a slow, majestic shifting of its vast landmasses across the unfathomable expanse of eons. This sense of deep time should bring not anxiety, but a profound peace, a realization that everything is in flux, everything is gently, continuously evolving. The very rocks beneath your feet carry the silent stories of this continental drift, in their ancient layers, in the alignment of their magnetic particles, in the fossils embedded within them. Scientists can read the gentle whispers of past movements, tracing the unhurried journey of land masses across the globe. Each mountain range, each valley, each coastline holds within its very structure the indelible marks of this slow tectonic dance, a continuous, silent record of the planet's evolving blueprint. It is a geological lullaby, each stratum a verse, each mountain a chorus, singing of the Earth's enduring patience and its boundless capacity for change. The volcanoes, too, those majestic, often misunderstood vents in the Earth's crust, are not symbols of chaotic destruction, but rather points of gentle release, where the deep internal warmth of our planet can softly escape. As plates slowly pull apart or gently push together, pathways are created for the molten rock, the magma, to gradually rise from the mantle towards the surface. A volcanic eruption, when it occurs, is often a slow, effusive flow of lava, or a gentle expulsion of ash and gases. Rather than a sudden, violent burst, it is the Earth's way of breathing, of releasing internal pressure, a necessary process in the long, unhurried cycle of planetary renewal, creating new land and adding new chapters to its evolving story. So, as you continue to drift deeper into the quietude of your mind, imagine the magnificent, unhurried dance of the continents. Feel the profound, underlying stability of our planet, even as its surface gently shifts and transforms over vast stretches of time. Understand that you are standing on a living, breathing entity, constantly reshaping itself with a patience that transcends our fleeting human scales. There is a deep comfort in this realization, a sense of being part of a grand, geological ballet that has unfolded for billions of years and will continue to do so for countless more. Let this profound, peaceful understanding lull you deeper into relaxation, knowing that you are cradled within the gentle, ever-changing embrace of our planet's ancient, rhythmic heartbeat. As the deep, slow rhythms of the Earth's tectonic plates continue to softly resonate within our imagination, let us now gently submerge our minds into the vast, shimmering embrace of our planet's oceans. These immense bodies of water are not merely passive recipients of our continent's dance. They are living, breathing entities, the very heart of Earth's climate system, holding secrets of profound depth and serene beauty. Imagine them as the planet's great, whispering gallery, where ancient currents flow and unimaginable life flourishes in a state of tranquil, unhurried existence. Think of the ocean surface as a vast, undulating blanket, endlessly caressed by the winds and warmed by the distant sun. Beneath this shimmering surface lies a world of incredible complexity and quiet purpose. The ocean acts as an enormous heat sink, patiently absorbing vast amounts of solar energy, much like a colossal, gentle sponge soaking up warmth. This incredible capacity to store and redistribute heat is one of the most vital roles the ocean plays in regulating Earth's temperature, preventing extreme fluctuations that would otherwise make life impossible. It's a continuous, gentle exchange of energy, maintaining a delicate balance across the globe. Within these vast watery realms, unseen rivers flow with a timeless grace. These are the ocean currents, immense, slow-moving streams of water that traverse the entire globe, carrying warmth from the equator towards the poles and cooler water back towards the tropics. The Gulf Stream, for instance, is a powerful, warm current that originates in the tropical Atlantic and flows northwards, gently moderating the climate of Western Europe. preventing harsh winters and fostering a milder, more hospitable environment. These currents are driven by a complex interplay of wind, temperature differences, and salinity, perpetually circulating the Earth's water with an unhurried, relentless purpose. Imagine these ocean currents as the planet's circulatory system, much like the gentle flow of blood within our own bodies. They ensure that nutrients are distributed, temperatures are regulated, and life is sustained across vast distances. This deep internal circulation is continuous, a silent, powerful engine that has been at work for eons, shaping weather patterns, influencing ecosystems, and maintaining the delicate balance of our global climate. There is a profound sense of rhythm in these movements, a deep, pervasive hum that underscores the very vitality of our blue planet. Now, let your mind drift deeper, beyond the sunlit surface, into the ocean's twilight zone, where only the faintest glimmers of light penetrate. Here, life adapts to perpetual dimness, with creatures developing their own soft bioluminescent glows, like living lanterns drifting through an endless, watery night. And deeper still lies the vast, mysterious abyssal plain, a realm of perpetual darkness, immense pressure, and profound stillness. This is the ocean's deepest secret, a landscape of flat, sediment-covered plains punctuated by seamounts and trenches, where time seems to slow to an almost imperceptible crawl. In these profound depths, life takes on extraordinary forms, adapted to survival without light. Creatures move with a languid grace, their metabolisms often slowed, their movements deliberate and unhurried. The very silence of these depths is palpable, a thick, enveloping presence that absorbs all sound, leaving only the soft, gentle hum of the water itself. It's a place of profound solitude and ancient quietude, where geological processes unfold over immense stretches of time, and the passage of moments is measured by the slow accumulation of fine sediment settling gently from above. Consider the role of the ocean in the Earth's carbon cycle, a crucial, gentle exchange that helps regulate our planet's climate. The vast surface of the ocean gently absorbs carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, much like a giant, soft-breathing apparatus. Tiny marine organisms, like phytoplankton, quietly convert this dissolved carbon dioxide into organic matter through photosynthesis, becoming the base of the marine food web. When these organisms die, though, and their microscopic remains slowly drift downwards, accumulating on the ocean floor, effectively locking away carbon for millions of years. This slow, continuous sequestration of carbon is a vital, unhurried process that has profoundly shaped Earth's atmosphere over geological time, a testament to the ocean's quiet power. The very tides, those rhythmic ebb and flow of the ocean's edge, are another gentle testament to its deep connection with the cosmos. These movements are orchestrated by the subtle gravitational whispers of the moon and the sun, pulling at Earth's waters with an invisible, yet persistent, embrace. Twice a day, the ocean gently rises and falls, a continuous ancient breath that has been at play for billions of years, carving coastlines, shaping estuaries, and providing a predictable rhythm for countless coastal ecosystems. It is a harmonious dance between celestial bodies and Earth's liquid heart, a constant reminder of our planet's profound interconnectedness with the wider universe. Even the ocean's vastness and its seemingly unchanging nature are deceptive. It is a dynamic, living entity, constantly responding to the subtle shifts in our planet's temperature and the slow geological forces beneath. The ocean holds within its depths the stories of ancient climates, the echoes of past ice ages, and the whispers of evolving life. Its sediments are layered archives, silently recording the planet's history, each particle a tiny scroll containing millennia of information. It's a vast liquid library, continuously being written, patiently awaiting our gentle contemplation. So, as you drift deeper into the quietude of your mind, allow the image of the vast, tranquil ocean to envelop you. Feel its immense, gentle power, its ceaseless circulation, its profound depths. Imagine the silent currents, the quiet life thriving in its darkness, the ancient stories held within its waters. Understand that the ocean is not just a body of water, but a profound, living presence, continuously breathing, regulating, and sustaining life on our planet with an unhurried, timeless grace. There is a deep, abiding peace in this connection, a sense of being perpetually cradled by the gentle, rhythmic heart of our blue planet. Let this peaceful awareness lull you deeper into relaxation, knowing that you are held securely within the nurturing, liquid embrace of the Earth's boundless oceans. As the gentle, rhythmic hum of the ocean's vast depths softly fades, let us now delve inward, beneath the very ground we stand upon, to explore the profound warmth and enduring stability that lies at the heart of our planet. Imagine the Earth not as a cold, inert sphere, but as a living, breathing entity, with a glowing, vibrant core that sustains and shapes everything on its surface. This journey inward reveals a blueprint of incredible layers, each contributing to the planet's gentle yet powerful embrace. Think of our Earth as a perfectly ripened, multi-layered fruit, perhaps a sweet apricot, or a meticulously crafted pastry. The outermost layer, incredibly thin compared to the whole, is the solid ground beneath our feet, the bedrock of continents and the floor of oceans. It is brittle and cool, a mere delicate skin, yet it is where all life as we know it gracefully unfolds. This crust varies in thickness, like the uneven rind of a fruit, being thinner beneath the oceans and thicker under the towering mountains. A testament to the diverse topography it supports. Beneath this thin, familiar crust lies the immense, slow-moving layer we call the mantle. Imagine this layer not as a liquid ocean, but as a vast, incredibly viscous caramel, so thick that it flows only over immense stretches of time, measured in millions of years. This mantle is mostly solid rock, but under the immense pressure and heat deep within the Earth, it behaves with a profound plasticity, allowing for the slow, majestic currents that gently nudge the tectonic plates above. It is a realm of pervasive warmth and unimaginable pressure, a silent engine driving the planet's surface transformations, a testament to the Earth's enduring internal vitality. The source of this deep, pervasive warmth originates even further inward, from the planet's fiery heart. At the very center of the Earth lies the core, a realm of incredible temperatures and immense pressures. This core is divided into two distinct parts, like the concentric layers of an onion. The outer core is a vast, swirling sea of molten iron and nickel, a liquid metallic ocean that churns and flows with a slow, powerful majesty. The movement of this molten metal is crucial, as it generates the Earth's magnetic field, our planet's invisible shield, which gently deflects the harsh solar winds and cosmic radiation, protecting the delicate dance of life on the surface. Encased within this swirling outer core is the inner core, a solid sphere of iron and nickel. Despite temperatures hotter than the surface of the sun, the immense pressure at the Earth's very center is so profound that it forces the iron atoms into a rigid, crystalline structure, preventing them from melting. This inner core is like a tiny, dense star cradled within our planet, radiating a gentle internal heat that continually warms the layers above. It is the Earth's enduring hearth, a silent, perpetual furnace that has fueled its geological processes for billions of years, a constant source of life-sustaining energy. The warmth that emanates from this deep, internal furnace is not a sudden, explosive heat, but a pervasive, consistent glow. It's like the gentle, even warmth radiating from a perfectly stoked oven, slowly permeating every corner of the planetary interior. This heat drives the convection currents in the mantle, powers the movement of tectonic plates, fuels volcanoes, and provides the energy for the very processes that shape our world. From the slow uplift of mountains to the deep spreading of ocean floors, it's a quiet, continuous flow of energy, a testament to the Earth's remarkable self-sustaining vitality. Consider how this internal warmth gently rises through the layers of the Earth. Imagine a delicate current of warm air rising through a quiet, sunlit room, softly touching every surface. Similarly, the heat from the core slowly, imperceptibly makes its way outwards, warming the mantle, then subtly influencing the crust. This means that even the coolest, most distant regions of the Earth's surface are still intimately connected to the warmth of its fiery heart. Every deep cave, every underground spring, every geothermal vent whispers a quiet story of this deep connection, a reminder of the pervasive heat that lies beneath. The stability that arises from this layered structure is profound. Each layer plays a vital role, working in harmonious synchronicity, like the intricate gears of a finely crafted timepiece. The solid inner core provides the gravitational anchor. The molten outer core generates the protective magnetic field. The plastic mantle allows for the gentle and essential movement of plates, and the thin, life-bearing crust offers a stable platform for ecosystems to flourish. It is a masterpiece of natural engineering, a blueprint of enduring strength and gentle, self-sustaining processes, ensuring the long-term habitability of our planet. This deep internal warmth also offers a comforting sense of security. It means that even as the surface of our planet changes, sculpted by the elements and shifting continents, there is a fundamental, unchanging source of energy and stability at its core. This inner warmth is a constant, reassuring presence, much like the gentle warmth of a well-loved home on a cool evening. It reminds us that beneath the fleeting dramas of the surface, a deeper, more enduring rhythm prevails, a testament to the planet's resilience and its profound capacity to sustain life. So, as you drift deeper into the quiet embrace of slumber, imagine yourself floating gently towards the warm, vibrant heart of our planet. Feel the subtle, pervasive heat emanating from its core, permeating every layer, grounding you in its ancient strength. Understand that you are intimately connected to this powerful, yet gentle, inner warmth, a silent source of life and stability. There is a profound peace in this connection, a sense of being perpetually nurtured and protected by the Earth's enduring embrace. Let this peaceful awareness lull you deeper into relaxation, knowing that you are cradled within the gentle, warm heart of our remarkable and living planet. As the gentle warmth from Earth's deep core continues to softly embrace us, let us now turn our attention to the patient, unseen artists that tirelessly sculpt our planet's surface: the wind, the water, and the ice. These aren't destructive forces, but rather exquisite carvers, shaping mountains into valleys, transforming solid rock into fine dust, all with an unhurried, persistent grace over immense stretches of time. Imagine them as the planet's silent, diligent gardeners, perpetually tending to its vast, evolving landscape. Consider the soft, pervasive touch of the wind. It isn't merely a fleeting breeze, it is a tireless sculptor, carrying tiny, abrasive grains of sand and dust across vast deserts and exposed rock faces. Over eons, these microscopic particles, propelled by the gentle, the insistent breath of the wind, slowly, imperceptibly abrade the hardest stones, smoothing sharp edges, carving intricate patterns into rock formations, and even hollowing out immense arches. Think of a master artisan, patiently working a piece of wood with the finest sandpaper. The results are not immediate, but the transformation is profound and undeniable. This aeolian erosion, as it's known, is a testament to the cumulative power of gentle, consistent action, a whisper that can reshape mountains. Now, let your mind drift to the tireless work of water. Perhaps the most prolific artist of all? Imagine a single gentle raindrop falling upon a barren hillside. It seems insignificant, yet billions upon billions of such drops, falling over millions of years, can collectively carve vast valleys and intricate gullies. As rainwater collects, it forms tiny rivulets, then streams, and eventually powerful rivers. each one a living, flowing chisel. These rivers patiently wear away rock, transport sediment downstream, and deposit it in new locations, building fertile plains and vast deltas. The majestic Grand Canyon, for instance, was not formed by a sudden cataclysmic event, but by the Colorado River, gently, relentlessly, carving its way through layers of rock over millions of years, an unparalleled masterpiece of water's patient artistry. Think of the ceaseless work of the waves crashing gently upon a coastline. Each wave may seem to merely caress the shore, but over vast stretches of time, their persistent energy slowly erodes cliffs, shapes beaches, and carves sea caves. The relentless ebb and flow, the constant gentle friction of water against rock, gradually wears away the land, transforming jagged edges into smooth, inviting curves. It's like a soft, continuous massage of the land. Slowly, gently, reshaping its very contours, turning the hardest stone into the finest sand, inviting us to walk barefoot upon its transformed surface. And then there is the quiet, magnificent power of ice, particularly in the form of glaciers. Imagine these colossal rivers of frozen water, not hurtling down mountainsides, but slowly, imperceptibly creeping across vast landscapes. They move with an almost unimaginable patience, flowing at paces measured in meters per year. As they advance, they gently but powerfully pluck rocks from the earth beneath them, scour away vast quantities of soil, and grind down bedrock. The resulting valleys carved by glaciers are often U-shaped, distinct in their gentle, wide embrace, unlike the sharper V-shaped valleys carved by rivers. The majestic fjords of Norway or the serene valleys of the Alps are silent monuments to ice's profound, unhurried sculpting power, testaments to its patient, millennia-long journey across the land. Consider also the subtle yet pervasive process of weathering, the gentle breaking down of rock. This is not about movement, but about transformation, a silent alchemy. Water can seep into tiny cracks in rocks, and when it freezes, it gently expands, slowly prying the rock apart. Chemicals in rainwater can softly dissolve minerals in rocks, weakening their structure from within. Even the roots of a tiny plant, delicately pushing their way into a crevice, can exert a gentle yet persistent pressure that gradually splits a stone. These are slow, molecular dramas, playing out unseen, patiently transforming the hardest materials into smaller, softer fragments, preparing them for the wind and water to carry away. This continuous process of erosion and deposition is a fundamental, gentle cycle of planetary renewal. What is worn away from one place is slowly, patiently carried to another, building new land, creating fertile soils, and shaping new landscapes. The sands of a desert might once have been part of a distant mountain range, slowly carried by wind and water across vast distances, resting finally in their new, tranquil home. This constant redistribution ensures that the Earth's surface is always in a state of subtle, continuous change, a perpetual reshaping that unfolds with an exquisite patience, never truly static, always evolving. The very sediments that accumulate at the bottom of lakes and oceans are silent archives of this ongoing transformation. Each layer of fine mud, each grain of sand, is a tiny testament to the journey it has made, a whisper of the wind that carried it or the water that flowed over it. These layers build up slowly, patiently, over thousands and millions of years, preserving the imprints of past environments, the delicate remains of ancient life, and the subtle shifts in climate. They are like the pages of a vast, unwritten book, continuously being filled by the gentle, tireless hand of natural processes. The beauty of these geological sculptures lies in their unhurried nature. They do not rush, do not force. They operate on scales of time that transcend human comprehension, patiently wearing away mountains, carving valleys, and shaping coastlines with a quiet, persistent determination. There is a profound comfort in witnessing this patience, in understanding that the greatest transformations on our planet occur not through sudden violence, but through the gentle, continuous application of elemental forces. So, as you drift deeper into the quietude of your mind, imagine the gentle touch of the wind, the ceaseless flow of the water, and the slow, majestic creep of the ice. Feel their pervasive presence, shaping the world around you with an unseen, unhurried hand. Understand that you are part of a planet that is perpetually being sculpted, a living masterpiece in continuous creation, forever renewing itself with an exquisite patience. There is a deep, abiding peace in this connection, a sense of being part of a grand, natural artistry that unfolds with timeless grace. Let this peaceful awareness lull you deeper into relaxation, knowing that you are cradled within the gentle and ever-changing embrace of the Earth's patient, elemental sculptors, as the gentle, patient artistry of wind, water, and ice softly sculpts the Earth's surface. Let us now listen closely to the silent narratives etched within the very fabric of our planet, the stones themselves. Imagine each rock not as an inert, lifeless object, but as a venerable storyteller, holding within its crystalline structure and layered composition the vast, unhurried saga of Earth's deep time. This is the geological lullaby, where every stone whispers tales of ancient seas, fiery depths, and the slow, ceaseless transformations that have shaped our world over billions of years. Think of the Earth as an immense ancient library, and the rocks as its countless, invaluable books. Each type of rock represents a different genre, a unique way of recording planetary history. The sedimentary rocks, for instance, are like vast, layered manuscripts. They form when tiny fragments of other rocks, along with the delicate remains of ancient creatures, are slowly carried by wind and water and gently deposited, layer upon layer, in lakes, rivers, and ocean basins. Over immense stretches of time, the weight of overlying layers, combined with the gentle cementing action of minerals, slowly compacts these sediments into solid stone. Imagine a quiet pond where leaves and pollen gently settle to the bottom, slowly accumulating over seasons, over millennia. As more layers gently press down, the lowest layers might transform into shale, or sandstone, or limestone. Each distinct layer in a sedimentary rock is like a single page in Earth's historical record, preserving the subtle environmental conditions of a particular moment in deep time. The fossils found within them are the delicate imprints of ancient life, the whispers of long-extinct creatures, offering glimpses into ecosystems that flourished millions of years ago. These rocks are the quiet archivists, patiently recording the planet's ever-changing surface conditions. Then there are the igneous rocks, born from the Earth's fiery heart, like molten dreams cooled into enduring form. These rocks originate from magma, the hot, liquid rock found deep within the Earth's mantle or crust. When this magma slowly rises to the surface and erupts from volcanoes as lava, it cools relatively quickly, forming fine-grained, extrusive igneous rocks like basalt. Imagine the swift, gentle solidification of a cooling liquid, becoming solid and glass-like in its rapid embrace of the open air. Alternatively, if the magma remains trapped deep beneath the surface, it cools incredibly slowly, allowing large, distinct crystals to grow, forming coarse-grained, intrusive, igneous rocks like granite. Think of a patient potter, slowly shaping clay over an extended period, allowing it to perfectly align its internal structure. These igneous rocks are the foundational stories of our planet, the first narratives, speaking of the immense internal heat and powerful geological forces that shaped the Earth's early beginnings. They are the bedrock upon which subsequent layers of history are built, enduring testaments to planetary genesis. And finally, we have the metamorphic rocks, the silent transformers, telling tales of profound change and immense pressure. These rocks are formed when existing igneous or sedimentary rocks are subjected to intense heat and pressure, often deep within the Earth's crust. during mountain building events or near areas of volcanic activity. Imagine a gentle but persistent squeezing and warming, slowly altering the very fabric of the original rock, causing its minerals to recrystallize and align themselves into new, often strikingly beautiful, patterns. Marble, for instance, is limestone that has been patiently transformed by heat and pressure, its original subtle textures now glistening with a new, ethereal beauty. This continuous process of transformation, where rocks are formed, weathered, eroded, deposited, buried, heated, and then uplifted again to the surface, is known as the rock cycle. It is a majestic, unhurried ballet of creation and recreation, a perpetual motion machine driven by the Earth's internal heat and the gentle forces of wind and water. There is no end to this cycle, only a continuous, slow unfolding, a testament to the planet's endless capacity for renewal and change over geological time. Each rock type flows seamlessly into another, a gentle cosmic dance of matter, never truly lost, always transforming. Consider how a single grain of sand on a beach might have once been part of an ancient mountain, uplifted by tectonic forces, then gently weathered by wind and rain, transported by a meandering river, and finally deposited on a distant shore. This tiny grain carries within it the silent history of its long, unhurried journey, a testament to the countless transformations it has undergone over millions of years. It's a profound connection to the deep past, a reminder that even the most seemingly insignificant elements of our world hold vast, ancient stories within their very essence. The study of rocks, geology, is essentially the art of listening to these silent whispers, of deciphering the long stories held within the stones. Geologists are like patient readers of Earth's ancient library, slowly piecing together the planet's biography from the clues left behind in layers of sediment, in the crystals of igneous intrusions, and in the folded textures of metamorphic rocks. Each discovery is like turning a fragile page, revealing a new chapter in the Earth's profound, continuing narrative, a story that continues to unfold with exquisite slowness, inviting us into its enduring depths. So, as you drift deeper into the quietude of your mind, imagine the Earth stones as ancient storytellers, each one holding a unique chapter of our planet's vast, unhurried history. Feel the enduring stability and the quiet strength held within these rocks. Understanding that they have witnessed unimaginable stretches of time, patiently transforming, always renewing. There is a deep, abiding peace in this connection, a sense of being part of a grand, geological narrative that transcends our fleeting moments. Let this peaceful awareness lull you deeper into relaxation, knowing that you are cradled within the gentle, unyielding embrace of Earth's long, slow story, etched eternally in stone. As the ancient stories etched in the stone softly murmur their geological lullabies, let us now extend our senses to an invisible, yet profoundly comforting, presence that gently wraps our entire planet, the Earth's magnetic field. Imagine it as a vast, ethereal shield, a quiet guardian born from the deep heart of our world, constantly defending the delicate dance of life on its surface from the unseen dangers of the cosmos. It is a persistent whisper of protection, a testament to the powerful, yet graceful, forces at play within our living planet. Think of our Earth not just as a solid sphere, but as a colossal natural dynamo, continuously generating its own pervasive energy. At the very core of this process lies the outer core, that swirling, molten ocean of liquid iron and nickel we gently explored earlier. This vast metallic sea is in constant, unhurried motion, driven by the Earth's rotation and the immense heat flowing outward from the inner core. As this electrically conductive liquid metal slowly churns and flows, it creates powerful electrical currents, which in turn generate the Earth's magnificent magnetic field. It's like a silent, perpetual river of electromagnetism, endlessly circling within the planet, breathing life into its invisible shield. This magnetic field extends far beyond the Earth's visible surface, forming an immense teardrop-shaped bubble in space known as the magnetosphere. Imagine this magnetosphere as a soft, permeable membrane, gently deflecting the relentless, high-energy particles streaming from the sun, known as the solar wind. The solar wind is a continuous outflow of charged particles, a powerful cosmic breath that, unchecked, could strip away our atmosphere and bombard life with harmful radiation. But our Earth's magnetic field stands as a steadfast, silent sentinel, diverting the vast majority of these particles around our planet, guiding them gently away, much like a smooth stone diverts the flow of a rushing stream. Occasionally, some of these charged particles manage to slip past the magnetosphere's defenses, particularly near the Earth's magnetic poles. When they do, they descend into the upper reaches of our atmosphere, gently colliding with the atoms and molecules of nitrogen and oxygen there. These collisions are not violent. Instead, they are like delicate taps, causing the atmospheric gases to emit a soft, luminous glow. This ethereal display is what we perceive as the aurora borealis in the northern hemisphere and the aurora australis in the southern hemisphere, the northern and southern lights. They are the visible whispers of our planet's invisible shield at work, painting the night sky with shimmering curtains of green, pink, and purple light, a celestial ballet orchestrated by the Earth's quiet protection. The magnetic field is not static, it is a dynamic, ever-changing entity. Its strength fluctuates, and its magnetic poles slowly drift over geological time, occasionally even undergoing complete reversals, where north becomes south and south becomes north. These reversals are not sudden, chaotic events, but slow, gradual processes that unfold over thousands of years, a testament to the immense patience and adaptability of our planetary processes. Even during these grand shifts, the magnetic field never truly vanishes, simply weakens and reorients itself, maintaining its essential protective embrace, a constant reassurance amidst profound change. This invisible shield has been crucial for the long-term habitability of Earth. It is believed to have played a vital role in preventing our early atmosphere from being eroded by the solar wind, allowing for the gradual accumulation of life-sustaining gases like oxygen. Without this persistent, gentle guardianship, Earth might resemble Mars, a planet that long ago lost much of its atmosphere and subsequently its surface water, becoming a cold, barren world. The magnetic field is, in essence, the very foundation upon which the intricate tapestry of life has been woven, a silent, pervasive force that has enabled evolution to flourish across billions of years. The deep connection between the Earth's inner warmth and its magnetic field is a testament to the planet's profound, integrated design. The core's perpetual motion fuels the magnetosphere, which in turn safeguards the surface. It is a beautiful, self-sustaining system, a planetary feedback loop that ensures the continued protection of our delicate atmosphere and the life it supports. This intricate dance of heat, motion, and electromagnetism occurs silently, ceaselessly beneath our feet, a constant, gentle hum of planetary vitality. Even the navigation of migratory animals, from birds to turtles, whispers of the magnetic field's subtle influence. These creatures possess an innate ability to sense the Earth's magnetic lines, using them as an invisible compass to guide their long, unhurried journeys across vast distances. It's a natural, intuitive connection, a testament to the pervasive yet gentle ways in which the Earth's fundamental properties interact with and support the intricate processes of life. The magnetic field provides a silent, omnipresent guide, a natural blueprint for their ancient migrations. So, as you drift deeper into the quiet embrace of slumber, imagine the Earth's invisible shield, its vast, gentle magnetic field, softly enveloping our planet. Feel its pervasive presence, protecting you from unseen cosmic forces, a constant, reassuring whisper of safety. Understand that this powerful guardian is born from the deep, internal warmth and motion of our planet's core, a testament to the intricate, harmonious processes at play within the Earth? There is a profound peace in this connection, a sense of being perpetually cradled and protected by the Earth's unseen, gentle embrace. Let this peaceful awareness lull you deeper into relaxation, knowing that you are held securely within the comforting, unwavering shield of our remarkable living planet. As the invisible shield of Earth's magnetic field continues its silent, steadfast vigil, protecting the delicate balance of our planet. Let us now gently shift our focus to the most vibrant and intricate layer of all the biosphere. Imagine it as a vast, living tapestry, woven from countless threads of life, from the tiniest microbes to the tallest trees, from the deepest ocean creatures to the highest flying birds. This green veil is not merely a collection of individual organisms, but a single, interconnected, breathing entity, where every form of life plays a gentle, crucial role in shaping and sustaining our changing world. Consider the pervasive, silent work of plants, those gentle alchemists of the earth. Through the quiet miracle of photosynthesis, they tirelessly draw in the carbon dioxide we exhale and the sunlight that bathes our planet, transforming them into the very oxygen we breathe and the sustenance that fuels most life. Think of a vast, emerald forest, each leaf a tiny, efficient factory, subtly purifying the atmosphere, regulating temperatures and releasing life-giving moisture. It's a continuous, unhurried process, a pervasive green breath that constantly renews our air and infuses the world with vital energy. The sheer volume of this quiet, life-sustaining work performed by plants every moment is a profound testament to their gentle, yet indispensable embrace of our changing planet. Now, let your mind drift to the invisible architects of the soil, the countless microbes, fungi, and tiny creatures that dwell beneath our feet. These unseen workers tirelessly break down dead organic matter, recycling nutrients, and enriching the earth with a gentle, continuous fertility. They are the silent cultivators, ensuring that the soil remains a living, breathing foundation for all terrestrial life. Without their patient, microscopic labor, the ground beneath us would be barren and unyielding. It's a profound partnership between the grand scale of towering trees and the humble, unseen work of the tiniest organisms, all contributing to the health and vitality of the biosphere. The water cycle, which we explored earlier, is profoundly intertwined with the biosphere. Plants draw water from the soil, releasing much of it back into the atmosphere as vapor through a process called transpiration, effectively adding to the clouds and influencing local weather patterns. Forests, especially dense rainforests, act like vast green sponges, absorbing rainwater, slowing its flow, and preventing erosion, allowing the water to gently seep into the ground and replenish underground aquifers. This intricate dance between water and life ensures a continuous supply of fresh water for ecosystems and influences the planet's overall climate with a subtle, pervasive grace. Think of the vast, intricate food webs that connect every living thing, from the smallest plankton in the ocean, capturing sunlight and forming the base of the marine food chain, to the largest creatures that roam the land. Every organism is linked in a delicate, balanced network of energy transfer. The gentle grazing of a herbivore, the quiet hunt of a predator, the silent decomposition by a fungus. Each act plays a crucial role in maintaining the flow of energy and nutrients throughout the biosphere. It's a continuous cycle of life, death, and renewal, a profound, harmonious ballet where every participant, no matter how small, contributes to the delicate balance of the whole. The biosphere also acts as a powerful regulator of Earth's atmosphere and climate. Over geological time, the evolution of certain life forms, but particularly early photosynthetic organisms, profoundly altered the composition of our atmosphere, gradually enriching it with oxygen, making it habitable for complex life. Today, processes like carbon sequestration by forests and oceans help to moderate the amount of carbon dioxide in the air, acting like a vast green breathing apparatus that gently keeps the planet's temperature in a stable range. This ancient, ongoing dialogue between life and its planetary home demonstrates how deeply intertwined the biosphere is with Earth's very blueprint. Consider the profound biodiversity that flourishes within this green veil, the countless species of plants, animals, and microorganisms, each with its unique role and rhythm. This diversity is not a random collection, but a robust tapestry, offering resilience and adaptability to our changing planet. Each species, however small or seemingly insignificant, contributes to the overall health and stability of the biosphere, much like each thread strengthens the entire cloth. The gentle hum of insects, the soft rustle of leaves, the distant call of a bird. These are all tiny, precious notes in the grand symphony of life, contributing to the rich, vibrant fabric of our world. Even the gentlest migration of birds across continents, or the slow, unhurried spread of a root system beneath the earth, contributes to the intricate balance of the biosphere. These are not simply individual movements, but collective acts that redistribute seeds, transport nutrients, and connect distant ecosystems, fostering a deep, pervasive interconnectedness. Life on Earth is a continuous, gentle flow, constantly interacting with and responding to its environment, finding new ways to adapt and flourish amidst the planet's slow geological transformations. The profound beauty of the biosphere lies in its exquisite interdependence, its gentle resilience. It shows us that even the most massive planetary processes are intimately connected to the delicate dance of living organisms. Every tree that breathes, every creature that moves, every microbe that toils in the soil all contribute to the ongoing creation and maintenance of our habitable world. It's a vast, self-regulating system, a testament to the power of cooperation and the quiet strength found in unity. So, as you drift deeper into the quiet embrace of slumber, imagine yourself enveloped by this vast, living green veil. Feel the countless breaths of plants around you, the gentle hum of unseen life beneath your feet, and the intricate connections that bind all living things into one harmonious whole. Understand that you are not separate from this biosphere, but an integral, beautiful part of its continuous, gentle unfolding. There is a deep, abiding peace in this connection, a sense of being perpetually nurtured and sustained by the Earth's vibrant, living embrace. Let this peaceful awareness lull you deeper into relaxation, knowing that you are cradled within the boundless, nurturing arms of our remarkable living planet. As the vibrant, interconnected tapestry of the biosphere continues its gentle, life-sustaining hum around us, let us now contemplate a grander rhythm that sweeps across our entire planet, the slow, majestic dance of ice and warmth, the long story of Earth's climate cycles. Imagine our world not as a static entity, but as a living, breathing being, its breath measured in millennia, its heartbeat echoing through vast epochs of geological time. A continuous, unhurried ballet of transformation. Think of Earth's climate as a vast, intricate symphony, where countless instruments from solar radiation to ocean currents, from atmospheric gases to the very tilt of our planet, all play their part. This symphony has never been truly still. It has always been in a state of gentle flux, shifting between cooler periods, often referred to as ice ages, and warmer interglacial periods, like the one we currently experience. These transitions are not abrupt or chaotic, but rather slow, gradual shifts that unfold with an exquisite patience, measured in thousands of years, a testament to the Earth's enduring, cyclical nature. Consider the immense, slow-motion growth of ice sheets during an ice age. Imagine colossal blankets of ice, hundreds or even thousands of meters thick, gently creeping across continents, sculpting the land beneath them with an unhurried, powerful embrace. These vast frozen expanses do not form overnight. They are the result of many centuries where slightly cooler summers failed to melt the previous winter's snow, allowing accumulation to gradually build. This slow, persistent layering of snow and ice gradually compacts, transforming into the immense, majestic glaciers and ice sheets that shape entire landscapes. It's a profound testament to the power of continuous, gentle accumulation over vast stretches of time. The shift from an ice age to a warmer interglacial period is equally unhurried. Imagine the slow, almost imperceptible softening of a colossal ice sculpture under a gentle and persistent sun. As the Earth's orbit around the sun subtly changes over long periods, a phenomenon known as Milankovitch cycles, the amount of solar energy reaching different parts of the planet gently fluctuates. These subtle orbital shifts act as a quiet, cosmic conductor, subtly influencing global temperatures. As warmth begins to ever so slightly increase, the immense ice sheets begin their slow retreat, gradually melting and returning their stored water to the oceans, causing sea levels to gently rise, reshaping coastlines with an ancient, patient hand. Think of a vast, tranquil lake, its surface reflecting the changing seasons. In winter, a thin sheet of ice might form, slowly thickening. In spring, this ice gently thaws, gradually giving way to the liquid water beneath. This familiar, cyclical process, scaled up to planetary dimensions, is akin to Earth's climate cycles. The planet breathes in and out, experiencing periods of greater cold and greater warmth, each phase playing its essential role in the long, evolving story of our world. These are not signs of instability, but rather a natural, profound rhythm that has governed Earth's climate for millions of years. The Earth's atmosphere also plays a crucial role in these cycles, acting like a vast, permeable membrane that responds to the planet's changing breath. During colder periods, certain gases like carbon dioxide naturally decrease in concentration, allowing more heat to escape into space, further cooling the planet. Conversely, during warmer periods, these gases gently increase, trapping more heat and contributing to the warming trend. This delicate interplay between atmospheric composition and global temperature is a continuous, gentle feedback loop, ensuring that the climate system remains dynamic and responsive to these long-term influences. Even the ocean's currents, which we explored earlier, play a vital role in these long-term climate shifts. They act like immense, slow-moving conveyor belts, distributing heat around the globe. Subtle changes in these currents, perhaps due to the melting of ice sheets or shifts in salinity, can gently nudge regional temperatures, contributing to the overall global climate pattern. It's a complex, interwoven dance where every part of the Earth system, land, ocean, atmosphere, and ice interacts with an exquisite, unhurried synchronicity. The geological record, preserved in ice cores from ancient glaciers and in the layered sediments of ocean floors, whispers the story of these past climate cycles. Scientists can read these silent archives like a meticulous planetary diary, carefully extracting air bubbles from ice that contain ancient atmospheric gases, or analyzing the microscopic remains of organisms in ocean sediments. These records reveal a consistent, rhythmic pattern of warming and cooling, a testament to the Earth's long-term climate variability. It is a profound lullaby from deep time, showing us that change is the very essence of our planet's existence, always unfolding with a quiet, patient grace. This understanding of Earth's climate cycles brings a sense of vast perspective. It reminds us that our planet is a dynamic, evolving entity, capable of immense, slow transformations over truly staggering stretches of time. The current changes we observe, while significant in human timescales, are part of a much larger, more enduring planetary narrative. This knowledge can offer a profound sense of peace, a recognition that the Earth is resilient, perpetually adapting, always finding a new balance, however slowly. So, as you drift deeper into the quiet embrace of slumber, imagine the vast, gentle rhythms of ice and warmth breathing across our planet. Feel the immense patience of these climate cycles, sculpting landscapes, changing sea levels, and orchestrating the dance of life over millennia. Understand that you are part of a planet that is constantly in flux, yet always maintaining a deeper, enduring harmony. There is a profound comfort in this connection, a sense of being perpetually cradled by the Earth's ancient, rhythmic breath. Let this peaceful awareness lull you deeper into relaxation, knowing that you are held securely within the gentle, unhurried story of our remarkable, ever-changing planet. As the grand, patient rhythms of ice and warmth softly lull us, revealing the Earth's long, cyclical breath, we now arrive at the final turn of our spiraling journey. We return, not to where we began, but to a deeper understanding of our own delicate place within this ever-changing planetary blueprint. For all the immense geological time we have traversed, all the deep forces we have contemplated, the most profound revelations often reside right here, in the quiet interaction between our gentle human presence and the Earth's soft, continuous response. Throughout our exploration, we have touched upon the atmosphere, that vast breathing blanket enveloping our world, where the soft touch of wind and the gentle fall of rain endlessly circulate life's vital elements. We journeyed into the slow, majestic dance of continents, those ancient rafts drifting across the Earth's molten interior, patiently sculpting mountains and shaping oceans over unimaginable eons. We submerged ourselves in the whispering depths of the oceans, vast reservoirs of warmth and life, their currents orchestrating global climates with a profound, unhurried grace. We felt the deep, internal warmth of the Earth's core, a constant reassuring furnace that fuels its dynamic processes and generates its protective magnetic shield. We witnessed the tireless artistry of wind, water, and ice, those elemental sculptors that gently carve landscapes, transforming solid rock into fertile soil with an exquisite, timeless patience. We listened to the long stories etched in the stones, recognizing each rock as a venerable record keeper, whispering tales of ancient seas and fiery depths. We felt the profound, unseen protection of the Earth's magnetic whisper, an invisible guardian born from its vibrant core, deflecting cosmic storms and painting the skies with ethereal lights. And we immersed ourselves in the green veil of the biosphere, that intricate tapestry of life where every creature, from the smallest microbe to the tallest tree, plays a crucial role in sustaining our world with a delicate, interconnected harmony. Finally, we contemplated the Earth's own gentle rhythm of ice and warmth, its long climate cycles unfolding over millennia, revealing a planet in constant, cyclical transformation, breathing in and out with profound patience. Now, as you lie nestled in your quiet space, feel how these vast planetary truths gently converge within your own being. The ground beneath you, however solid, is part of a crust that subtly shifts and breathes, connected to the deep mantle and the Earth's fiery core. The air you breathe is part of that immense, circulating atmosphere, purified by the green veil of life and protected by an unseen magnetic field. The water that nourishes you has embarked on countless journeys through oceans and skies, a part of the Earth's ancient, continuous flow. You are, in essence, a living, breathing expression of this planet's grand design, a tiny, yet infinitely precious microcosm of all that is Earth. Our human presence on this planet, though fleeting in geological time, is a profound whisper in this ongoing story. We, too, are part of the biosphere, connected to its intricate webs of life. Our actions, however small, ripple through the delicate balance of Earth's systems. But instead of focusing on the harshness of impact, let us gently consider the profound connection, the deep empathy we can cultivate with our planet. Imagine placing your hand gently on the bark of an ancient tree, feeling the slow, persistent life within it, or dipping your toes into a cool stream, sensing the ceaseless flow of water. These simple acts foster a quiet appreciation for the Earth's enduring presence and its boundless capacity for gentle response. The blueprint of our changing planet is not just a scientific diagram, it is a living poem, an intricate dance of elements, forces, and life that constantly unfolds with immense patience. It invites us to slow down, to observe with a quiet reverence, and to listen to the planet's subtle whispers. When we align ourselves with these unhurried rhythms, the slow erosion of a mountain, the gradual shift of a continent, the vast, patient cycles of ice and warmth, we find a profound sense of peace. The Earth does not rush, and in its patience, it teaches us the value of gentle persistence, of continuous transformation without haste. This gentle understanding brings a comforting perspective. It reminds us that even amidst the hurried pace of our daily lives, there is an underlying, enduring stability to our planetary home. The Earth has weathered countless changes, profound transformations, and continues to sustain life with an unwavering grace. It is a resilient, adapting entity, always finding its balance, always renewing its systems. This knowledge can offer a profound sense of peace, a recognition that we are cradled by a planet that is not only powerful but also endlessly nurturing and forgiving. So, as you drift deeper into the quiet embrace of slumber, imagine yourself floating gently within the Earth's vast, living blueprint. Feel the enduring stability of its core, the protective embrace of its magnetic field, the ceaseless breath of its atmosphere, and the nurturing power of its biosphere. Understand that you are not separate from this magnificent, evolving planet, but an integral, cherished part of its continuous, gentle unfolding. There is a deep, abiding peace in this connection, a sense of being perpetually nurtured and sustained by the Earth's remarkable and living embrace. Let this peaceful awareness lull you deeper into relaxation, knowing that you are held securely within the boundless, patient arms of our beautiful, changing planet, forever whispering its ancient lullabies.